Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our financial literacy course. Today, we're going to learn about two key types of expenses: fixed costs and variable costs. Understanding the difference will help you manage your budget more effectively. Fixed costs are expenses that stay the same each month. These include things like rent, your phone bill, or a subscription with a set monthly fee. Because they don't change, fixed costs are predictable and easier to plan for in your budget. Variable costs, on the other hand, change from month to month. Examples include groceries, gas, or dining out. These costs can be higher or lower depending on your habits, making them less predictable, but also more flexible to adjust if you need to save money. Let's look at an example. Imagine you pay $600 for rent and $50 for your phone plan each month. Those are fixed costs. But in the same month, you might spend $180 on groceries, $40 on gas, and $90 eating out. Those are variable costs. Together, both types of costs make up your monthly budget. Why does this matter? Because when money is tight, you usually can't change fixed costs easily, but you can adjust variable costs. For example, you might cut back on eating out or limit entertainment to stay within budget. Recognizing which expenses are flexible helps you take control of your spending. So fixed costs are steady and predictable, while variable costs change with your behavior. Both are important, but variable costs are where you often have the most control. This concludes our discussion about fixed and variable costs. In the next lesson, we will learn about using apps or spreadsheets for budgeting. See you then.